Jai Gurudev students. Now continuing with the same chapter, next topic, speaker. Students, in Parliament House there is one speaker who is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha. Presiding officer means we can say that he is the regulatory authority over there. For example, in a class, who is the regulating authority? Teacher. At that movement, the teacher who is present in the class, the teacher is the regulating authority. That means you all follow the instructions of the teacher. Okay? In the same way, in Parliament House, all the members follow the instructions of the speaker. Okay? Now, who elect the speaker? The speaker is elected by the ruling party. That means, suppose, who is the ruling party right now? BJP is the ruling party. So, that party will elect the speaker. Now, what is the main function? Speaker conduct the question hour. He is the regulatory authority who give the instructions to the members of parliament to speak about the country or to discuss about the decisions about the what is going on in the country, and he also conduct different sessions in the parliament. Okay, how many sessions are there in the parliament? There are 3 sessions. First is budget session, second monsoon, and third is winter. Okay, now budget session is between February to May. In this session, the budget is being announced by the finance minister. Okay, when the budget is being announced, it is announced on the last working day of February. So, it is discussed and implemented till the month of May. Now, monsoon session is being conducted between July and August. In this session, all the matters of the country is being discussed by the different members of the parliament. And the next session is winter session. In this session, they again discuss the matters, and this session is being conducted between November and December. So, how many sessions are there? 3. First is budget, second monsoon, and third is winter. Now, I will explain you about the Rajya Sabha. This house is known as the upper house of the parliament. The maximum number of Rajya Sabha is 250, and in this 250, 12 members nominated by the president. It means in this total 250 members, this 12 members are elected by the president. Okay, and these are elected by the different fields like art, science, literature, law, medical science, etc. Okay, now the qualification of the members of Rajya Sabha is that person should be the Indian citizen, and he or she must have the age of 30 years and they must be mentally sound. So, till here we have discussed about the Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and the speaker. In the next class, we will continue with this chapter. Okay? Just go through the video properly, and in case of any doubt, you can ask from me. Jai Gurudev.